Most people hear Web3 and think it's complicated, but here's the surprising truth. Most Web3 tools fail because they try too hard. Today we're reviewing the Carbon Web3 browser and whether it actually makes decentralized internet easier. Carbon is a browser built specifically for blockchain users. It integrates crypto wallets, decentralized apps, and privacy tools into one interface. Instead of switching between websites and extensions, everything is built in. When you open Carbon, it looks like a normal browser, but behind the scenes, it supports blockchain networks, smart contracts, and decentralized logins. The biggest benefit is wallet integration. You can connect to DIA apps without installing third-party extensions. This reduces security risks and setup time. Most people get this wrong, but browser extensions are one of the most common ways crypto users get hacked. Carbon also focuses on privacy. It blocks trackers, limits data collection, and avoids centralized storage of personal information. This aligns with the core philosophy of Web3. Another feature is built-in DApp discovery. You can explore decentralized finance platforms, NFT marketplaces, and Web3 games directly inside the browser. Now for the downsides. Carbon is not beginner-friendly for people unfamiliar with crypto. You still need to understand wallets, private keys, and blockchain risks. It also doesn't support every blockchain network. If you use rare or experimental platforms, compatibility may be limited. Performance can also feel slower than mainstream browsers, especially when loading decentralized apps. So who is Carbon for? It's ideal for crypto users who regularly interact with blockchain platforms and want a safer, unified environment. But if you only browse normal websites, Carbon adds complexity without real benefit. The surprising truth about Carbon is that it doesn't make Web3 simple. It makes it organized. And for people deep in crypto, organization is the difference between efficiency and chaos. If this review helped you navigate Web3 more clearly, subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns before adopting new tools.